How to make money with Shopee Office program. Hi everyone, want to know how to turn your passion for online shopping into a steady stream of income? You are in the right place. Today I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Shopee Office program. Stick around because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. Shopee Affiliate Program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee, whether you are a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family. This program offers you a chance to make money with minimal effort and no upfront costs. Before we dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Basically, you promote products, and when someone buys through your links, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. Here is how the Shopee affiliate program works. First, you have sign up. Head over to the Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then we have choose products. Once you are approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then we have share links. Generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. Then we have earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn. Here we have some benefits of joining the Shopee affiliate program. So why should you join Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. First, we have no upfront investment. Don't need to spend any money to start. It's completely free to join. Then we have wide range of products with millions of products available. You have endless options to promote. Flexible and convenient, we have you can work from anywhere and at any time. Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, you can fit this into your schedule. Then we have high earning potential. The more you promote, the higher your earnings. Some affiliates make a significant income just by sharing links. So the first steps to becoming a Shopee affiliate is signing up for the program. Here is how you can do it. First, you have to visit the Shopee affiliate program. As you can see, here we have the website. All you have to do is click over here, enter, then you log in. If you have an account, you write your number, username or email, then you put your password, then you log in. But if you don't have, all you have to do is sign up. You can put your phone number. Also, you can use Facebook or Google to sign up. Fill out the registration form with your personal details such as your name, email address, and contact information. Agree to the terms and make sure to read and agree to Shopee's terms and conditions. After filling in all the required information, submit your application or dive into the homepage of Shopee. This is the homepage. As you can see, here we have login. If you don't log in, we have also sign up. If you wanna sign up, then we have here language, English or other language. We have help, notification, follow us on, download, start selling, seller center. Here we have a first products, as you can see. So all you have to do right now is navigate through the various product categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down your options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then choose the products that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick items that align with your interests or niche to make your promotions more authentic and effective. Like here I am looking for something basket basketball. As you can see, here is a forest tanks. various shoes. As you can see, we have various shoes. Now that you have chosen the products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing. Then in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the product you want to promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then use this link to promote the product on your preferred platforms. You can include it in your blog posts, social media posts, YouTube video descriptions, email newsletter, and more. Creating compelling content. When sharing your links, create engaging and informative content that encourages your audience to click on the link and make a purchase. So here's an example of how to share affiliate links. First, we have blog posts. By writing a detailed review of the products and include the affiliate link within the post. Instagram story, we have share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story with a swipe up link to the product. We have also YouTube video using review video and included the affiliate link in the video description and mentioned it in the video. Here we have some tips for success. To maximize your success with Shopee affiliate program, here are a few tips. First, we have promote products you love. Focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will come through and make your recommendation more convincing. We have also leveraging social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers and create content that showcases the products effectively. Then we have create engaging content, whether it's a blog post, a video review, or an Instagram story. Make sure your content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need this product in their lives. Then we have optimize your links. Use tracking tools to monitor which links are performing best. This allows you to focus your efforts on the most effective strategies. That's all you need to know to get started with the Shopee affiliate program. By following these steps and tips, you can turn your passion for sharing great finds into a rewarding income stream. So, are you ready to start earning? Click the link below to sign up for the Shopee affiliate program and begin your journey to passive income today. Don't wait, get started now and see how easy it is to make money online. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.